My people, make una chilolo, relax and enjoy another round of hot news from Pidgin News Network. Let's go there. For the latest news for Naija and Obodo Oyibo, yarns as they pass for we street, parable as our forefathers they talk am, tori as they blow for Pidgin world go the world pata. My name na Roro Pata 20 km. The news Sabinos, una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Argument na im be the football match of talk where different players dey talk their own. Argument don jam argument for this koro matter. Na blame argue quarrel dey between America and China for how this koro take start. Oga Donald Trump don talk say im fit use tariff, that is tax wey dem put for goods and products wey dey come from China, as punishment for China for the sake say dem hide information for this koro matter wey dey scatter the whole world. The World Health Organization WHO don come out again to talk say koro no start from any laboratory for China, say koro na from animal, no be from laboratory as Oga Donald Trump dey talk am. The Russian construction minister Vladimir Yakushev don dey admit for hospital for koro matter. Him deputy nko don admit am. Prime Minister of Russia they don admit am. This koro no dey look face. Sam na gbas. Na black African people for England and Wales dey spy pass for this koro matter. Dem say the number of black people wey dey spy na 1, 2, 3 times the number of white people wey dey kpai for the matter. The thing wey dey pain well be say na young people dey kpai, and these young people no suppose kpai because their body still strong kakaraka to fight koro. Prison warder don dabaru the plan and riot and protest and the plan to escape by prisoners for Colombia for the place dem call Villa Vicencio. The prison get 314 koro positive people wey include prisoner and prison warders dem. 7 prisoners try to dig tunnel to escape underground, but dem catch dem. Nobody wan catch koro, nobody wan kpai. 9 prisoners from Miguel Castro jail for Peru capital Lima don kpai as riot break out for this koro matter. 60 guards, 5 police officers and 2 prisoners na im wunjure. Na more than 600 prisoners don get am and 13 prisoners don kpai for the matter for inside this Peru prison, as Peru authority talk am. For Venezuela nko their prison na 41 prisoners don kpai for riot and protest. Koro no gree us rest, na unrest e put the whole world. Hip 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 hooray, hip 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 hurrah. Na so North Korea people shout o, as the North Korea state media TV talk and show video of supreme leader Kim Jong-un, wey plenty people talk say e dey sick well sake of say e do heart operation. Dem show am say e strong, e come cut ribbon and open new fertilizer factory. Now make we carry our waka enter Naija. The House of Representatives don pass controversial bill, that is to say bill wey get comma inside, wey people talk say e be like say na Ojoro bill, to give federal government power to seize and change private property to isolation center. Some honourable don dey protest. Lawyers and many other Nigerian people say the bill is draconian and suspicious. That one na big oyibo repete, but wetin e mean be say the bill is bad, wicked and cunning dey inside. Nigerian Bar Association NBA chairman for Buhari branch for Abuja and some other people dem don sue President Muhammadu Buhari and the Secretary General of the Federation, Boss Mustapha, say the Abba Kyari burial disobey the rules of coronavirus for the country. People plenty there, so they don sue dem go court. The Nigerian Medical Association NMA don kick against and oppose the federal government plan as dem sub federal lockdown for Ogun, Lagos and Abuja. Dem say na premature decision. The decision nova reach to make, we rush make am. The Nigerian National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, tok say dem never approve any coronavirus vaccine. Sam say all the rumours and news wey we dey hear for internet, social media, say all na sam say no be true. Say dem dey do experiment. Na so the Director General of NAFDAC, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, tok am. Dem still dey experiment room, never get answer. Breeze don blow, fowl yansh don open. The Rivers State Police Command don catch and arrest 3 of the kidnappers wey kidnap, kill and bury 3 University of Port Harcourt students for inside grave wey no deep. Na wa for kidnappers. Abeg, koro kidnap dem, leave us alone. My people, we go dey sambalidate una the latest news as e dey come with the month. This na Pidgin News Network. Let's go there. Hail una. Back am.